Hi, I'm Heather.
Hi, I'm Jim, and we're from Cranberry Township. We had used Pittsburgh's Best to remodel our basement a few years back, and they did such a great job that they were the first ones we reached out to when when it was time to do the bathroom.
We had used Pittsburgh's Best to do our basement, so when it came time to do the bathroom, we actually didn't even reach out to any other companies. We were that pleased that we just went right back to them and knew we'd get a quality product that we would be happy with. I really liked working with their designer. After they had done the original drawings and it was time to pick materials, they came to us with recommendations with a tile, a Keller for cabinets. Rather than giving us 100 options, they came to us with one or two that they thought would look great, and that made it really easy for us to pick.
Yeah, I just really love Casey and the team's professionalism. That they really strive to make sure that the customer's 100% happy and bring our vision to life.
My favorite feature is the built-in storage. I had actually sketched out an idea that was in my head, and the designers were able to take that, add some features to it and really make it a reality. And it's really a focal point for one of the walls of the bathroom. We had an old armoire that we were using for storage, nothing formal. Now we have this beautiful built-in that has even more space than we have things to put in it, and it's just really, really beautiful.
Yeah, I'd recommend them. They're 2 for 2 on the final product. We got a great basement, and now we got a great master bath.
Yeah.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.